not one of those times when cross threads is better than no threads.
Well, this is a $10 paint gun, Brian.
Yeah, but it's still not a time when cross threads are better than no threads.
What do you expect out of a $10 paint gun?
At least 2 trailer paints. Don't touch the paint!
Are you painting, Brian? Do you want to paint this, Brian? Come on, welcome.
Listen, you've seen the fucking welcome to the channel thing. You know you're the painter and finish guy. I'm the fab guy.
Are you going?
I want it.
I lost the spring to this, so be very careful if you ever open this.
When did you lose the spray?
Everything just went shooting straight up.
When did that happen?
It happened.
So what else did you lose?
That's it. And the little ball that didn't work. So
spring and ball.
yeah, so just make sure you don't ever open it up. Like, let it go. It works a lot better now. You don't have to like completely undo it.
Literally why we can't have next time.
This one's better in my head.
That wasn't bad.
So typically there's like an orange thing you put on these gallons to make them into like a little pour spout.
I've seen those before, but I don't remember seeing one at the house.
You got one. I don't know who brought it over, but somebody brought it over.
You just gotta commit, man.
That's what you gotta do, bro.
Yeah, you're not getting a rough batch in there.
Yeah. A little bit of a chemist, if I do say so myself.
What's next? Methamphetamines? Which were also blue in the show.
Methyl ethyl ketone amphetamines. Methyl ethyl amphetamines. Methylamphetamines.
Are we gonna get a motor? I need a motor.
Oh, fuck. Are you bringing it back?
Not here.
That's gonna be, I'll show you your color here in a second.
Yeah, I'll probably be where you get. Well, you'll stay in Granbury when we, when we get there. We'll live out in the motorhome for the day or two. We're there before you guys leave.
That's gonna be your color.
Yeah, sure, sure. So there to tell the camera just comes out like.
Well, wait till you get outside. This is gonna give you a false. It's gonna look very dark.
It does. That's
Very.
the camera doesn't do it any justice.
And you've seen what I painted with this, and it's not that. Like, it's dark, but it's not that dark.
Well, that's why I kind of like it for this trailer, is because trailers are always dark, black. That's what they are. So this is going to be one of those where it's not outlandish enough to where you'll notice it right away, but you'll see it and be like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Like almost like something's up here, but I can't put my finger on it.
Fuck off. I said fuck off.
Why? This is not one of those times when cross threads is better than no threads.
Well, this is a $10 paint gun, Brian.
Yeah, but it's still not a time when cross threads are better than no threads.
What do you expect out of a $10 paint gun?
At least 2 trailer paints.
I can tell you I went through 2 of these on the Hellcat.
Well, I'm just telling you.
Because one of the threads fucking.
We painted 1 trailer, and now we're on our 2nd trailer with it. So as long as it makes it through this one, I'm happy.
It's just nice because I got the hose on here, man. What was that? Did you hear something? What was that? Like tripping.
I mean, you may have heard something, but I didn't hear it. Alright. So we're all set up. He's going to throw some paint. We'll get the GoPro going and get to watching. All right, so it's Saturday night. It's the next day, and it came out pretty damn good. You can pick up some light spots here and there on the treads, but we're gonna be rhino lining all of this, so I'm not really too concerned with that. Fenders came out awesome. The steps came out real nice. All the way down the center looks real good. Got some touch-ups in some spots we'll probably end up doing later down the road, but looks real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the wheels put on it, get it set back on the ground, and we'll pull it outside and I'll let you guys see what it looks like in the light. It's really gonna make it pop when we get out there. All right, so we got it outside. And we'll see how this shows it, but it looks pretty damn good. Hey, look, I found Mr. Wilson. This camera does not pick it up very well. But yeah, she's pretty here. You want to hold this for a second?
You had to put all the lug nuts on?
No, I was gonna do all of that here in a second. I figured the sooner I can get out in the sun and let the sun start baking it, the better, you know?
Yeah.
So I was gonna put the lug nuts on, zip tie the lights up in a way that looked halfway legal, zip tie the tag onto the fender, and then I was gonna send it.
Nice.
You know what I mean?
I gotta run back to work.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it.